The MMI extension identifies a MindManager map index file containing search and navigation index data for MindManager mind mapping files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these MindMap index files. To quickly determine if the MMI file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried and true software here and later on. MMI Files are index files for MindManager, a mind mapping and project visualization application by Mindjet. They contain search index data topic, navigation references, and metadata caches that accelerate browsing and searching within large mind map documents. MindManager MMI files use a binary index format, storing topic text indexes, hyperlink references, attachment metadata, and hierarchical navigation data for the associated mind map file. They are generated automatically and regenerated if deleted or corrupted. The direct link for opening MMI files is established with MindManager from MindManager. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows offers restricted insight, so reviewing the file properly must be done with cataloging software. Your key starting action: right-click the MMI file and select Open With. If MindManager is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the MMI file opens successfully. If the MMI file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Alright, the simple solution is out. We need to isolate the issue with the MMI file. Move on to these essential troubleshooting measures right away. First, understanding the file. MMI files are automatically created and maintained by MindManager alongside mmap mindmap files. They improve search and navigation performance in large maps. Deleting MMI files is safe as MindManager regenerates them when the associated map is opened. Next, rebuilding indexes. If MindManager search returns incorrect results or topics are missing from navigation, delete the MMI file and reopen the associated mind map. MindManager rebuilds the index from the map data. This resolves most search and navigation inconsistencies. Finally, managing map files. Keep MMI files alongside their associated mmap files when copying or moving mind maps. If sharing maps without index data, recipients, MindManager installations generate new MMI files automatically on first open. Include MMI files and backups for faster map access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.